Hi, Facebook, YouTube. Today we're on an air duct job and a dryer vent cleaning in Freeburg, Illinois. Kyle was a referral. And yeah, let's get to it. Let me show you what we're doing. Stay tuned. All right, guys, this is the last duct job of the year. Today is Thursday, believe it or not, the 29th, and we are on a duct job in Freeburg, Illinois. We're upstairs doing the supplies and also the wall cavities of the turns, and then we'll go downstairs and finish up the main trunks. So yep, it's gonna be a good day. No one's off today, just me by myself today. If you guys need this service, please reach out, and you know the fee. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more videos and valuable content. All right, guys. You know what time it is. Let's go.
Go, guys. Let's go. What about 40 feet? This is the supply. This supplies all your air. Typically they're all upstairs and some downstairs. You can see how dirty it was. Give us a call if you need this service. We believe in a healthier indoor environment. And it starts with your HVAC system, guys. If it's in your ducts, it's in your lungs. All right. Pull that out. Again, it's agitating the wall cavity of the duct, as well as simultaneously sucking all that debris in the vacuum ports. It's called the push and pull method brush of Roto Beast. The best system on the market. Besides the negative air machine, this does a great job. Check it out, guys. In the vacuum port. Perfect. Beautiful. Let's go.
All right, guys. You tell me, guys, if you think this is good to breathe in. See that? Watch this. Much better. What do you guys think? Oh, yeah. That's why. All right, guys, a little tip of the day. When you see your cold air returns look like this and covered, you know, with this kind of stuff, that means, you know, it's probably due to get your HVAC cleaned, because this is going to go down to your main trunk lines. It then go through your air handler, evaporator coils, air filter. That's what gets it clogged up, and then go to your supply. So when it starts looking like that, guys, time to get cleaned. All right, little tip of the day. Thanks for watching. All right, all clean. All right, Facebook, YouTube, what I'm doing today is I'm going to create an access panel right here, because half of it is finished and the other half is unfinished. However, the problem is I need to make an access panel so I can get both sides. And then there's a supply vent right here, which I can access to get both sides. So in this scenario, we'll make an access panel here where we can actually make it, cover it up, and then have access, you know, in another 5-7 years. So This is how we're gonna do it, guys. That we can get both sides, go about 40, 45 feet, and all is well. Stay tuned. All good. All right, guys, just got done doing the supply. As you can see, we already did the access panel and sealed that up. Now we're gonna do the return. Stay tuned. All right, guys, typically, guys, your return's gonna be the dirtiest. Let me show you what I mean. Look at that, guys. They've been here about, say, I think 7 or 8 years. It's never been done. They've had a bunch of construction done, remodeling, things of that nature. Just to get a better camera angle. Look at that, guys. And that's your breathing in. So that goes right into your HVAC, air handler, vibrator coil, filter that goes to your supply. So we're gonna get that cleaned up for them today. And stay tuned for results. And always don't forget to like, subscribe. And if this added value to you, or if you want to get the service done, you can reach out to us on, of course, YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Thanks for watching. Alright, guys, this is the return. As you can see, definitely needs some attention, as you can see there. Shining the light over there. And of course, this way. So yeah, stay tuned. Call So much better, guys. Look at that. Breathe better, call AO. Don't forget to hit the bell, like, subscribe on all our social media platforms, and if you need a service, you may also DM us or give us an old-fashioned call. Alright, guys, we do service 25-mile radius of our location, and we do St. Louis as well as Illinois of our shop. Alright, guys, thanks for your support. Hope this helped you make a decision to clean your ducts, and don't forget to breathe better by calling AO. Thanks for watching. Beautiful. Nice. Alright, we're doing dryer vent cleaning. As you can see, it's reading 22.